Okay, so today I'm doing an outfit of the day. It's a very basic look. Oh, outfit and face of the day. It's a very basic look, and it looks very pretty, and it's casual and good. For my hair, I just have it wet right now, and I just did a basic scrunching technique on it. I really like how it looks. And then I just pinned my bangs back with 3 clips. And then I did a smoky eye kind of thing. And then I just have some lip gloss on. Yep. And then for the outfit, I just have a gray and white striped tank top with white lace at the bottom, and a gray undershirt tank top. And then I have dark blue jeans with white washout with a beaded butt. And then for my shoes, I have pink flip-flops with a glittery strap. They're kind of old. But yeah, that's my basic look. I hope you enjoyed. Products I used were, I used this dark and light blue eyeshadow for the smoky eye. And then I used the e.l.f. waterproof eyeliner pen for the bottoms of my outline of my eyes. And the tip looks like that. And the lip gloss I used was e.l.f. Luscious Lipstick. And I really like how it's like red, but not too intense. And then I used concealer. It's e.l.f. Tone Correcting Concealer, and I really like it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this, and tell me if you like the voiceover better than me sitting here talking and explaining it. See, I think I like the voiceover a lot because it was like easy to explain what I was doing instead of trying to do it all at the same time.